Hey guys, today we are back at Disney's Hollywood Studios because I've heard it's starting to get festive here at the park. So we're here today, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna check out all the different Christmas decorations that are here, see what's new, and if time allows, we may ride a ride, just depends. It looks like it's pretty busy today. So let's get inside the park. So come on and join us.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends.
And this is why you do not get here after 2 p.m. because we're right at 2 p.m. because everyone is trying to cross over from park hopping. So that'll be eliminated in January. Yep, it is definitely busy right now, but that is okay. All right, let's make our way down to Sunset Boulevard. We're gonna check out some of the Christmas stuff that's up around there. Okay, before we head over to Sunset Boulevard, we're gonna head into Keystone. There's something in here I wanna show you guys. Now, many of you guys know the Galactic Star Cruiser closed just last month. There's something in here that I wanna show you guys. They now officially have Galactic Star Cruiser merch here in Hollywood Studios to buy. Look, you can buy stuff like this, a little patch here, and then they have this set, which is pretty cool. Look at this Star Wars hat. This is pretty cool. This is Galactic Star Cruiser on there. That is awesome. The hat itself is $29.95. That's pretty cool. But it definitely looks like this is all mainly kids stuff. Like you can get the outfit here of the captain and then the captain's hat, which is cool. That's $29.99. It's cheaper than I thought it would be. It's kind of what it looks like all together there. Okay, coming down Sunset Boulevard here, you can see now they officially have the Christmas stars up down here. This is yearly what they put up here. So it's pretty cool. That's our first sign of Christmas here at Disney's Hollywood Studios because they got to get ready for Jollywood Nights, which is in like 2 weeks. Something like that. But it is cool. This just gets me in the Christmas mood and the Christmas spirit. I love it, man. It's so cool. You can see the Christmas stars continue all the way down here to Tower of Terror, which is amazing. So the decorations do go all the way down here. This is the only decorations I'm seeing. Nothing else. No garland on the side of the buildings or anything like that yet. We're still in October technically. We still have a few more days, but still nothing else. But whoo, Tower of Terror looks scary as heck right now. All right, we made it back here to Galaxy's Edge now. And Rise of the Resistance is a 60-minute wait. I don't know if that's even true because the line over here is just empty. There's like no one. There's one guy walking back there. I bet you it's not that long of a wait. Wonder if we can catch the Mandalorian today. I'm not sure. We're gonna go through the marketplace though and look around, see if there's anything new back there. Hopefully we can catch Din Djarin. So it looks like the line, well, there is no line to meet the Mandalorian. I don't know what time he's gonna come out, if he's gonna come out at all. Let's just walk through the marketplace. Okay, into the marketplace we go. This looks not that busy throughout here. Let's go check it out. Angie was just pointing this out to me. I don't think I've ever noticed these little spears. This is so cool. Got an actual bike, and then this one. This one's closer to what Luke drives around in New Hope. Although I don't believe it was blue, but this is so cool, man. Just the theming is amazing. Oh, that's cool. They have the board game here with checkers. That's awesome. That's so cool. I didn't know they had this. That is amazing. They have sabak you can buy here too. This is $16.99. That's not bad. It's pretty cool. There goes Chewie. I don't know if I've ever shown this before, but this is where you check in for Savi's workshop right here. Go in and make your lightsaber right there. And just take you through. Let's go inside the droid factory. Let's see if we have anything new inside of here. I have not seen these bags yet. I don't know if that's new or not, but that is pretty cool. You used to have just like, you know, the box, but now you can buy the bag. Did they have one? They had a blue one? Oh yeah, that's right, I remember that now. This is new, this looks much cooler. That's cool. And it doesn't say how much they are, does it? No. Does not. I did not realize that you can do this. You can actually buy new R series accessory panels for your droids. So if you want to change these out, that is pretty cool. I wouldn't mind changing some colors on here. It's been a while since we've done them. So, I mean, it's been like 3 or 4 years. But this is awesome. So cool. And then here's like the, oh, it has a tow cable on there too. That is pretty cool. Ooh, a R2 metal dome. That's cool. How much is that?
$29.99.
$29, not bad.
Heavy.
Oh look, they have blaster attachments too. That's cool. It is metal, like real metal. Yeah. What does that mean?
Expensive.
It's expensive. Alright. But yeah, these blaster attachments are pretty cool. Oh, that is cool. From the new Star Wars video games, look, the BD-1 droid unit you can get on that. That is so cool, man. It's awesome. He comes pre-made. I don't know if you can make them like this. I don't think you can. All the droid pieces just going around. Remember from Attack of the Clones? It's kind of what it looks like in here. Of course, that's not what you actually do. You're actually over here, and there's a conveyor over there with all the pieces over there. Yeah, you can see all the different pieces going by right here. And you just pick them up and choose what you want. And then you take them over to this table over here, and you do it, put them together right there. So it's cool. Ooh, look at this Droid Builder mug. This is cool, and it comes with a little stir. Looks like just a little extra piece there. Angie wanted to see this. Look at this. This is awesome. R2 and R5.
Oh, look at the handle.
It's awesome. Oh yeah, the handle's pretty sweet. How much is that?
$27.99.
$27.99. What are these things? Like little pins?
No, they're wine.
Oh, they look like a pin on that side. That's cool. Wine stopper. That is awesome. They even have the salt and pepper shakers. It's cool. We need this in our life. One thing I wish they would do is have all these droids moving actively. Probably costs a lot of money to do it, but it'd still be cool. Made it over to Toy Story Land. Here come the Army Men. Say howdy to Woody for us. Made our way full circle around the park. There just isn't a lot going on until next week or the week after when Jollywood Night starts. Then we're gonna have new desserts and everything. So either she's telling me she wants Starbucks or she's telling me she wants a carrot cake in here. All right, let's go in here and see if they have that cake in here. Ooh, look at this. They have the graveyard cupcake. Fudge-filled chocolate cupcake with cookies and cream buttercream. Sounds amazing. All right, here it is, the graveyard cupcake. We are gonna try this bad boy out and see what it tastes like. All right, I'm gonna try this thing out, see what it tastes like. It looks pretty good. Let's just start with the icing though, right? Because it's supposed to be Oreo icing. This is what the gray stuff is, right? Mm-hmm. Oreo icing, yeah. And it has a bone in there. Got to get in here though. Let me set it down. Look at that. Chocolate cake filling. That is excellent. That's one of the better cupcakes I've tried in a while. Probably because it has the gray stuff on it, you know? This looks like a little like graham cracker or something. So good. All right, when we get back to the house, Angie's gonna try her carrot cake. So good. All right, back home now. And now, hey buddy. Angie wants to try this carrot cake cookie. Ren's getting him some water over there. That's what that loud sound is. Is it delicious?
You want to try it?
Yes, I do.
It's really good. I'm not usually a carrot cake person.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Good and moist. Tastes amazing. But that's where we're going to end it here for today. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button and the notification bell so you know when our next video is coming out. And remember, the road goes ever on. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise that.